Good, what's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 23.3K, up about 2.5 on the day. Seeing market cap of 447 billion. 24-hour volume 32.65 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Sign up to either or, email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So Bitcoin had that big spike up over the last 24 hours. So I've adjusted my wave count a little bit here. So what I would be looking at is that we put in a wave 4 pullback and we pushed up in a wave 5. Now, it's hard to say whether or not that wave 5 is finished, as it can count only a 3-wave move, but we did push up to the 618 target of 23.8K. But there's always a possibility that you're looking at a wave 1, wave 2, and then you'd push up in a 3, 4, 5. However, if we zoom out to the 4-hour time frame, that's a liquidity grab candle. So as you can see right here, price pushed up, grab liquidity, and then the sellers push the price right back down. Now that wick may get filled, but you can see how strong these divergences is. How strong these divergences are, and money is not flowing back into Bitcoin. So the move is still weakening. Of course, you know, price can spike up, price can break out. This is just what the indicators are telling us. Now I posted it here in my Discord in the news section. I posted in the signals section that over 200 million shorts were liquidated with that push up. So it's just a liquidity grab. And usually those can signal reversals when they push up, grab liquidity, and then you can come back down. We also broke down from this rising wedge retest. Price can still go either way. Of course, these divergences and the fact that we're continuing to fail to break through this resistance would suggest that the turnaround is near. But the more you test resistance, the higher chance it is that you're going to break out. And the more you test support, the higher chance you're going to break down. So it's a bit of a tough call right now, in my opinion. If we do end up pushing a little bit higher, we have the 55 EMA on the weekly time frame, which is currently coming in about 25.4K. There's also something else I posted in my Discord here that I found interesting. So the previous bear market bottom, we had a huge impulse to the upside, very similar to what we're seeing, and then we consolidated for 19 days. So currently, I'm going to pop over to the daily time frame. Currently, we've only consolidated for about 5 days in this range. So consolidations can last a long period. We have that bearish divergence on the daily. As I've been mentioning, these can take weeks to, a month to play out. They can take time. You can trickle higher while the divergence is still printing, and then you eventually roll over. So we might end up pushing up to that 25K resistance. I hope it happens sooner or later, the move. Whether we break down or we end up pushing up to 25K, obviously this isn't the most interesting price action. But we've done everything we need to complete that 5-wave move. Potentially what I'm looking at is it's just completion of a wave 3. And then you would pull back in a wave 4. And potentially put in a wave 5 to complete that larger wave 1. The reason I changed the wave count a little bit is so it lines up with Ethereum. Now, if we were to break 19.7K, then what we can look at is that larger wave 2 pullback being in play. We'll see if we do end up coming up to fill this wick here and pushing up in a 5-wave move. So what you would look at, I'll show you one more time, is a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But as I've mentioned, we've already met the technical target of a wave 5, so we can turn around from here. That is a liquidity grab candle on the 4-hour. Also, this is the daily time frame. Also retesting this rising wedge pattern with the technical target that would bring you back down to about 20.3K. The DXY still just coiling up. I do think a larger bounce is coming shortly for the DXY, but we're just waiting for something to happen, basically. And as I showed you with that previous bear market bottom, these consolidation phases after a long pump, or after a large pump, I should say, can last weeks. That previous consolidation in the bear market, this is Bitfinex, so I can show it to you. It lasted 19 days. If we scroll back and I show you guys, let me quickly remove my squigglies here. The previous bear market bottom we're going to open this up. So we had a beautiful pump, very similar to what we just saw. And right here is 19 days of trading within a range before pulling back in a wave 2. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting to see if we're going to start to put in that wave 2 pullback, or are we going to push a little bit higher? Are we going to push a little higher up to 25K before starting to pull back? Because as of right now, we've only been consolidating for about 5 days for the price of BTC. So our indicators are telling us that reversal is near. We have a liquidity grab wick. Now we may go up to fill that wick, so do keep that in mind. But if we do push up all the way up to 25K, I do think the reversal will come. These divergences will eventually play out. If we were to see that push up to 25K, you may still see a divergence on the 4-hour time frame. First, we're overbought on the daily, extremely overbought with divergences just consolidating. But this consolidation is allowing the EMAs, the 20 EMA, to catch back up to the candles. So if we hold it as support, there's always the possibility of seeing continuation to the upside. So we're in a little bit of limbo right now. But as I mentioned, we've met all the necessary requirements for a 5-wave move, so we can start to turn around at any time. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as signals. Crypto news, Arizona senator introduces bill to make Bitcoin legal tender, which is pretty exciting. And that's coming in at 10 USD per month. You can see how the members are doing with their trades. They like to post their profits in here. And how to all plays, all for 10 USD. Everything else is completely free. Email me your sign up email once you sign up to one of the exchanges. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, much love. Take care.